This just in, new pending home sales from Don, and Gino Fronti with the National Real Estate Cafe, because we give you what's happening today, not what happened months ago.
I didn't need this report. I've been using our crystal ball for a long time. I told you these sales were going to continue to climb. Things are good.
We've been pretty consistent on this. So let's go to this first slide, and we'll show you what we're talking about. Okay, so you see this nice little line right across through 100. Makes it pretty easy to figure out if we're in a good housing market versus a slowing housing market. As you can tell, pretty darn consistent for the last few years, Gino.
Yeah, what I really
way
like,
above it.
Yeah, and what I like is if you look at last year, the year over year, which is the most important number to look at, to this year's number was better than last year's number in December. And last year's number in December had all the November rollover from TRID.
Oh.
So last year's December is a fake number, and we even beat out that fake number, Don.
All right, so let's go to this next slide. We'll show where this is happening. Of course, they're just showing you that above 100 is good. So since 2001 was a good year, they kind of base it on that. And right now, again, we keep telling you, West region, the weather's bringing on the heat.
And the Northeast, the frozen tundra, as you like to call it.
Yes.
Now, that is over year, though, over there. So, and the Midwest also down. So maybe something to start taking a look at, Don. Not a trend yet, but something to take a peek at.
Not too worried. Okay. And then, of course, for today's renters, an excellent time to consider buying a home. Where have you heard that before? Like every single show when we tell you to get off the fence and go buy a home?
So follow our 2017 motto, Don and Gino, compel you, please get off the fence and buy and take action in 2017.
I mean, obviously, you see from that chart, it's consistent. It isn't a big up. It's consistent. The housing market is here to stay. We had 10 years of basically nobody buying homes, so now is the time. It's a great time. Rates are still great.
Absolutely. Don't let that fool you. You're going to hear that rates have gone up. They have, but they can continue to go up, and nothing erodes at your purchasing power more than high rates.
Hey, rates are the same as they were at this time last year, and it was a great year. I think 2017 is going to be a bigger year. You think so?
For sure.
All right, you heard it right here on the National Real Estate Cafe. Get these sent right to your phone by texting 58885 to the number, NREC.
NREC. We have got to change that. Don't you agree?
Or just go to nrecafe.com.
There
All
you
right,
go.
see you tomorrow, and we'll share with you what's brewing.